It's probably like that, but like 10 times worse.
Sex at the beach backstage. Dr. Love, what up?
What up, my man?
Kate. And we got
Yeah, and we got Christine.
Quote unquote Christine. Sex at the beach backstage.
Hey! I don't know if that's gonna work, Jay.
Huh?
I don't know if that's gonna work.
Probably not.
I don't know. Hey, check me out.
Christine, this is the camera that I had on for like 20 minutes when you gave it to me. And I was like, oh, I'm supposed to turn this off. I just wasted half of Dre's battery.
It's all good. So how you enjoying your first time at sex?
It's good.
Yeah, I gave it to you. I'm like, here.
It's exciting. The fun never stops.
That was so random.
Yeah,
You're just
But I
like,
feel
Your dad called. How was that?
it's not good.
I
I would say one of the. It
That
was
was like-
the most embarrassing moment of my life. I would say.
Yeah.
And anyone listening to this would know that I do not
Back
say
of your
that
head?
once or lightly.
Nah, you look like you like just tuning out the entire world for
Oh
like
my God.
5 minutes. Like it's not happening. This is not
I
happening.
wanted to vomit.
I'm trying to see, like, your walls are kind of empty because you haven't been there, right?
Luckily you
Yeah.
didn't say it. I was like,
Yeah, I haven't.
I thought it was funny.
No, it was not funny.
Is that- is that-
It was horrible.
okay, I'm sorry then. I thought it was all good fun.
It's okay. No, it was fun. It was just.
Yeah.
Just like so unexpected, like oh crap.
Oh God.
Like,
Just.
I painted these walls.
I'm not even surprised.
Oh, wow.
That was weird.
It was
At least your parents pay attention. I find out like my mom doesn't care, my dad doesn't care.
Dre's just so into his parents paying attention that it's not a good thing.
This is actually good. Nah, it's more cool because your parents support. Let's say support. They're at least listening in.
At least they listen.
Yeah, my mom doesn't care. Like yeah, that's cool, son. Yeah, whatever. You do your little radio
Yeah, wireless
thing.
internet.
I'm worried about biking home from here.
Oh, where do you live?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's all
We can give you a
dark.
walk though.
on wireless internet?
Yeah, that'll be fine. Give you a walk.
Yeah,
Okay, because it's coming through really well.
Okay.
sweet.